What's up, guys? You're watching another episode of Third Coast Fishing, and today I'm going to show you how to catch a jack, hopefully. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. We out here at the Surfside Jetties, and all we're going to be doing today is throwing spoons. So I'm going to show you just what I'm going to be using to catch the jacks, allegedly. We'll see. They've been running pretty hard at the jetty, so we're just going to try to get our little shot at it and see what we can get. All right, we're going to be using the 10-foot rod with the Battle 3 with some 80-pound diamond braid on it. Then we're going to be using this spoon with the big treble hook on it with, I don't know, about 1.5 foot of 100-pound mono to a swivel. All right, now that we're all rigged up, let's get out there, see if the jacks are running, see if we can't get hooked onto something, you know, get a few pictures, maybe get some bait for some shark fishing. That always costs me money every time I have to buy bait, so we'll see. Let's get out there. Cast. We're just gonna be casting. So, all right, let's walk to the end and see what we can do. All right, boys, we got everything rigged up, got the net, and now we're gonna make the trip down the jetty, see if we can't get any jacks. I don't see no schools or anything, but I think it's still a little bit early. We'll see. All right, guys, we're walking down the jetty. It don't look too busy. There's a bunch of people out here, but it ain't that bad. They're probably all at the end. I already seen a school of jacks already, so they're still kind of hanging out. So we're heading down here, see what's up, see what we can get. We're almost there. Just a few, what seems like miles, especially when you're seeing jacks. I got too much stuff to run, so there's people hooked up. So yeah, that's what's up. What's up, man?
He just slapped the shit out of me.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
What's up, dog?
What's up, bro? I'm gonna set my stuff kind of close to you then. I didn't bring a whole lot, just my camera. What's up, buddy? They biting, huh?
Yeah, just right now. I just posted up too.
That's what's up. All right, man. We're gonna get what's up? Y'all know that Brandon is all right. Oh yeah. All right, boys, there's a school down here. We're gonna go get them. They're going up towards the land, ain't they?
Yeah, I think they're right here. They're coming over here.
Oh, they over there. Yeah.
See how I seen those? Were you out here? Hey, Jet?
Yeah, what's up? Well, no, fight your fish, bro.
You on it?
Nuh-uh.
They out here, bro. Shit. I think I might have a chance here. I hunted this one down and kept it behind the pack. They keep breaking me off on all the other fish and fishing. The schools are so big you can't stay hooked up because of all the other fish.
Yeah.
What's up, dog? It's like the other day. Yeah, you can see him.
Just bringing him in.
That's another good one. Get a picture of this guy.快点啊！ 你先帮我拍一张。还是我？就这样了。对啊。哎呀，盖。连漏出来。连漏出来。
What's up, boys? I'm on one. Watch out. Under.
Go, go.
Damn, appreciate you trying to help, bro. Damn it, bro. Appreciate it.
Got you?
Yeah. Next time I'm gonna tire his ass out. I like the drag on his ass almost. What's up? Got broke off. Happens. We're gonna re-rig. All right, rig back up. Let's get back out there.
No, saquéate, güey. ¿Cómo? Go back up. That's for your first time?
That was my first time hooking up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, every time I get here, they leave, bro. Or every time I'm about to show up, they have just been here.
Yeah. Shit, I thought you've caught a couple already, bro. Man, I was watching your video, bro, and I seen that fucking tarpon roll by.
Yeah. I caught one jack from the surf.
Yeah.